selector. Now we are going to see how to drop the table. Drop table empty. Table is gone. Okay, now Sajid database employee table is not existing. That's what it is showing. I have deleted now.
Delete, drop it, drop all are almost.
Drop is complete table will be gone. Truncate, what will happen? Values only will be gone. Complete values, table will be there. Delete, the values will be gone.
Okay, sir.
But based on the condition
here,
also.
Krishna, we are using the truncate table X. Everything is deleted. Then we again search for the table, it will not show, right?
It will show. Truncate, if you do, select star from, if you do empty set, it will show.
Oh.
But when it comes to drop table, na, select star from EMP, it will not show the table also. Like it out.
For truncate, delete, these are only to delete the values.
Yes. Okay. Now we will go for types of drivers available in JDBC. Types of drivers available in JDBC. Okay. There are 4 different types of drivers available. There are 4 different types of drivers available. Those are JDBC, ODBC bridge.
Those are JDBC.
ODBC bridge. Okay, na? Next. Second one, native API partly Java driver.
These are same. So 3 different ones, right?
4.
Oh, 4, okay.
What? This is second driver name.
Okay, fine.
Okay, na? Net protocol all Java driver. Third one. Fourth one, native protocol all Java driver. Okay, now? Done. So we have 4 different types of drivers. Type 1 driver will be used in the institutions like this for learning sake. Type 4 driver will be used in the companies. Second and third type of driver is completely demolished. It is deprecated. It's not available in the market right now. Okay, we are going to see most of our programs on type 1 and type 4 only. Clear? Okay, so we'll separate it. Yeah, whereas 1, 2, 3, these are considered as fat drivers. Madam, 1, 2, 3 considered as fat drivers. Okay, 1, 2, 3 is freely available driver, open source, can connect to any DB. Okay na? Performance is low. Platform dependent.
Dependent.
It runs on only particular platforms. When it comes to this type 4, ulta of that.
Cost all are free.
It is not free. Type 4 is not free.
Okay.
It cannot connect to all the databases. It will connect to only one type of database at a time. MySQL driver will connect to MySQL only. When it comes to Oracle driver only. When it comes to type 1 driver, it will connect to any kind of database at a time.
So whatever commands we have learned, the development MySQL commands. Correct?
Yes. Okay, done right? Whereas, one more difference is there. 1, 2, 3 are considered as connection oriented drivers. That means you need to create a connection. How to create a connection while doing the programs, I'll show you. When it comes to this one, this is connectionless driver. There will not be any physical connection between your program and database. Clear? That is what the specialty with type 4 driver. Whereas, because of connectionless driver, write down. Type 4 is connectionless. 1, 2, 3 are connection oriented. Okay?
Connectionless, connection oriented means what's the difference?
That's what physical connection will not be there for connectionless.
Yeah.
What is that physical connection, sir?
Oh, why is like that?
Not aware. Here path connection is there.
Oh.
I'll show you when I am creating. Okay. Whereas, whenever connection oriented service is there, type 1, 2, 3 are connection oriented services. Whereas, for that, data loss will not be there. Connection oriented service, connection less service in the sense, data loss may happen. We cannot expect it. That is what the drawback with type 4 driver. Type 1, 2, 3, that is advantage. Clear? Make a note. Okay, next. One more drawback with type 4 driver is costly. 1, 2, 3 are freely available driver. Clear?
Data loss is there, then why people are using that?
See, mobile connections and all, whenever we are transferring, data loss may happen. At the time again we will be resending the data. That will be monitoring. That kind of monitoring, all these things are there. Clear? Any doubts? These are the 4 different types of drivers available in JDBC. Okay? Now we are going to start up with type 1 driver now. Okay?